What it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy, 2 Y's, back in the Mob Museum with another banger, broski. Hey man, y'all already know what's going on. I'm back like I left my phone, broski. We trying to get this thing moving and shaking. So before I do anything, let me give a major shout out and salute to all my OGs, youngins, day ones, and new members alike, broski. The Mafia is my family. That's what that means to me, broski. You know what I'm saying? Pull your seat up to the table. We would love to have you. As long as you don't come around with a negative energy, broski, you good with me and the mob. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, man, if you mobbing already, go ahead and hit that like button for your boy. And if you're not, press that subscribe and the notification bell, and you will receive instantly 10 years of good luck, broski, on the mob, man. But yeah, moving along. Hey man, a whole bunch of Jordan 1s done dropped this year, and that's definitely an understatement, bro. If I gotta guess, maybe a whole month's worth of Air Jordans have released this year. Like, you can wear a different Air Jordan 1 every day for a whole month if you bought every one of them, bro. You know what I'm saying? Might be exaggerating, might not. The PSG ones dropped yesterday. Did y'all cop those? Did y'all pick those up? Let me know. You know what I'm saying? The day that I'm recording this video, the not for resale ones, the no L's, not for resale. I'm tripping. The no L ones dropped, the red colorways dropped at the tier 0 locations. You know what I'm saying? Certain stores in Chicago and LA, to my understanding. I don't know where they dropped specifically. I don't even know if Cream got them here in the 757, and usually they get everything like that as far as the super duper heat. So anybody in the 757, let me know if Cream got the no L ones. I ain't even go for them, bro. Like the red pair, they wasn't on my radar. I didn't like them as much. I really did like that yellow pair though. And if I'm not mistaken, they dropped at Complex Con. Clearly, I wasn't there. The homie Bull went though. Shout out to the homie Bull. And shout out to T Digi as well, man. We've been talking a lot. I asked him how he felt about the low Air Force Ones that's dropping. Y'all know Supreme and CDG collabing on the Air Force Ones, man. So let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on that shoe. But before we get too deep into that, let's hop right back into these no L's a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Yo, major L for your boy. They didn't pop up on my sneakers app at all. I was seeing certain cats got them or hit on the sneakers app, or that was popping up on their sneakers app. I didn't see them. You know what I'm saying? So is that fake news or not? Did they pop up on your sneakers app? Did you get a win from sneakers? I didn't see them on there at all. You know what I mean? But what I did see on Instagram, certain stores and certain locations, I don't know if it was one specific store, but how they release procedure was set up that they kept the box and you had to wear the shoe out of the store. You know what I'm saying? Killing all the resale on the shoe. And I'm pretty sure with some resellers trying to get that thing or in that line. I wonder how they gonna pull that off or try to sell that shoe now, being that they don't have the box and had to wear it out the store. You know what I'm saying? No way they can get top dollar for it, but Ooh, I just dropped my phone. I wonder would anybody pay that price though. Dang, I gotta stop dropping this phone, broski. I looked up on Soul Collector trying to find out a little bit of information on both shoes, on both the Noel shoes. And what I found, I'm gonna pop it up on screen. The description says, Jordan brand doesn't want fans to resell the Air Jordan 1 High OG No L's. Equipping the model with phrases like not for resale, please crease, and many others on a sail black and varsity red color blocking. Release date is November 7th. That's the day. I hope I get this video out in time, bro. 2018 with a set price of $160. You know what I mean? Style code 861428-106. Official name Air Jordan 1 Retro OG NRG Sail Black University Red No L's. You know what I'm saying? Man, Hey, bro. Dope. I mean, everything about the shoe dope. If you got it, that's dope, and salute to you. Even doper if you got the yellow ones, cause that's the pair I like. You know what I'm saying? If I had to pick between the two, if I could have got my hands on them, I definitely would have leaned towards that yellow pair. So yeah, man. But the thing is, bro, are y'all tired of Air Jordan 1s, man? So many ones have released this year. It's ridiculous, bro. Like, it's clear the Air Jordan 1 cannot die. The community done said it. You know what I'm saying? The brands know, they keep pumping them out like water. They matching them up with silhouettes that don't even need an Air Jordan 1 colorway, but they doing it anyway, man. It's like, bro, okay. I can accept that the Air Jordan 1 can't die. But another question that I do have, are y'all tired of the Air Jordan 1? You know what I'm saying? Are y'all fatigued? Is the fatigue setting in? Are you tired of seeing them? You know what I mean? Like, me personally, how I feel about Air Jordan 1s right now, it's only 2 colorways that I would buy. Three. It's only 3 colorways of the Air Jordan 1s that I would buy. The Shadow Backboard Original, because I don't have it. I would buy a Chicago 1. If they happen to do a Chicago 1 with the same quality of the Homage to Home side, you know what I mean? You know that Chicago side of the Homage to Home? If they happen to make a Chicago 1 with that quality all over, I'm there for that one. And what's another one? Oh yeah, these Rookie of the Year ones. I'm feeling the Rookie of the Year ones. You know what I'm saying? I don't feel like I necessarily have to have one of the off-whites because I got these. You know what I'm saying? I could just throw some orange laces in these if I really wanted them off-white vibes. I put some orange laces in it and a tie string in it, or a zip tie, whatever they call them joints. You know what I'm saying? And I got Chicago's, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I really don't need the off-white Chicago pair. It would be nice to have now. Don't get it twisted. I would love to have both of those, but I don't need them. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah. On top of that, man, I haven't even got to wear the shoes that dropped this year like that. You know what I'm saying? Think about the shoes that dropped this year. And the ones that I got my hands on, I ain't got to wear the Cookie Monsters like that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got to wear the Date Nights like that. I ain't got to wear the Shadows like that, broski. This is all in 1 year, you know what I'm saying? Oh, look, no. Wrong shoe. Let me get it right. Give me 1 second, bro. My bad. I do believe I wore these twice, but that really don't count. Like, I think I wore them for the video and I wore them the Soul Food Kicks. That don't count, bro. So I ain't got to wear these like that. Little Cuzzos, I ain't even got to wear the little Cuzzos like that. So, man, dog. And I ended up getting my hands on the Pine Greens. I had 3 pairs of those. I really did want to keep one, but I had to move it, bro. I wasn't gonna wear it no time soon. I started seeing so many people wearing the Pine Greens, and how they was wearing the shoe turned me off. Like, you know what I'm saying? You ever see somebody with a shoe and it ain't laced up right, or it's dirty, or their outfit don't look right, and it just turn you off from the shoe, period. You know what I'm saying? I seen somebody wearing the shoe and seen so many people wearing the Pine Greens, and I just didn't like it. It turned me off. You know what I mean? The only thing that had me hype about the Pine Greens is when I put them on my 2K My Player. That dude was fresh. I was looking for that same outfit. I was gonna pull that one off in real life. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't make it that far, bro. I got rid of those too. Like, I don't know. I actually might swing back around and get them Pine Greens, because it is that, you know what I'm saying, that good rate of green on there. High school colors. You know the Shadow Backboards, them junior high. You know what I'm saying? Rockingham Junior High. Motherfucking Pine Greens, Richmond Senior High. So, I'm going to have to swing back around and get them. But right now, for the time being, bro, I ain't even wore these yet. And there's still some more of them drop prints that I got this year. This another one. Charlotte's. Forgot all about these, bro. I'm pretty sure I can slide back and forth and do this about 2 more times, but you know, Gatorades right there. Hello, did the Gatorades come out this year? I might be. Nah, I don't think the Gatorades even came out this year. I'm tripping, my bad. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's another one over there that I ain't wore yet. Maybe some in the box over there in the cut. And them just Jordan 1s, broski. You know what I'm saying? I think I sneak coulda did a top 5. My next video gonna be my top 5 Jordan 1 pickups of the year. And then I probably could do a top 5 Jordans of the year, period, like overall, without ones being involved. And then after that, probably could do a whole top 10 non-Jordans of the year. So, yeah, bro. Know what I'm saying? Don't sleep on these top 10s and top 5 videos. They gonna be pretty interesting, bro. There's a lot of shit that dropped this year. And yeah, man, we're gonna sign off on the question that I have for y'all. Are y'all tired of these shits, bro? Are y'all tired of ones, dog? Let me know. On them all. From my family to yours, broski, y'all stay all the way up, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know it ain't nothing but love from this side. Mob. Mob, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob.